located next to Walgreens at the base of the Slotzilla Ride Launch, or visit faithexperience.com. While the offer lasts, experience unlimited rides on the world's ultimate thrill ride, Slotzilla. Slotzilla, one down on the bucket list.
McDonald's.
What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
Big Mac.
A Big Mac?
Yeah.
What about to drink?
A beer.
A beer?
Yeah.
That's a good combo.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like that. What's your days? What's your plans for today?
I am gonna go to the strip right now.
Before you go, do you want to take a picture with us?
You know what? I'm on a time crunch on the way back.
Oh,